Big Bulldozers by Tony Mitton and Ant Parker. Here's a busy bulldozer. See how it's made. Tough crawler tracks and a strong metal blade. The crawler tracks travel over all kinds of ground, while the powerful blade pushes rubble around. The blade has a cutting edge for breaking up lumps. The tracks have treads for riding over bumps. The blade tilts down for digging up earth, or lifts up to push things for all that it's worth. A bulldozer often has a ripper at the rear. The ripper breaks up ground that's too hard to clear. The ripper has a shank that cuts through the rough, and then the blade can shunt it easily enough. The cab has a seat where the operator sits. From there they can work all the different bits. The operator drives their dozer along. A bulldozer engine has to be strong. A bulldozer's job is to level and clear. See how it's smoothing the ground out here? And look, here's another on a very lumpy site, spreading out the soil till it's laid out right. If there's been a storm and it's blown down trees, a bulldozer cleans up the damage with ease. A tree-clearing bulldozer has all the force to shift fallen trees into earth, of course. If you've a road that's blocked with snow, a bulldozer's blade can lift it so. Or an ordinary truck can be used to snow shunt if you get a blade that sits on the front. If there's a job in a very tight place, a baby bulldozer might fit the space. But though some bulldozers may be small, this big bulldozer towers up tall. The end.